Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Unich Airdrop, their latest update, the listing date, the airdrop distribution, the TGE, and every other thing surrounding Unich. We are going to look at the latest update. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on your bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value updates. So here, 1 hour ago, the unit made an update. Okay, looking at this short video here, they say something really big finishing, and right now they have 99%, remaining 1%. So what could that be? Could that be the TGE that we all are expecting? Or is there another phase they want to introduce? We are going to find out in this video. So here they said Unich ecosystem will soon have a new layer. Let that layer be TGE. Yeah, it should be TGE because we have been expecting that for a long time now. So I think it is TGE. And today we shall share that this product has reached 99% completion. Exactly. The remaining 1% is the final testing phase. The final testing phase should be what? The listing. To ensure everything is truly worth before it reaches the community. A big step for Unich. You will soon see why. So this is the latest update, and this is the video they brought showing that something is finishing. Something really big is coming and is already at the finish level. So we have only 1%, and they are going to tell us exactly what is this next phase they are preparing. I hope this next phase will make us smile, because we all have been waiting for the listing, for the TGE of this project. So what do you think, guys? Do you think this finishing phase that we are entering will worth our wait? Do you think we are going to smile with Unich in this Christmas? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. So let's check on the comments and see what people are actually saying about this. Let's scroll. Someone said, I'm patiently waiting. Community is waiting. When will you announce the layer? Very soon. TG is soon. So people are actually eager and waiting for the next layer, which everyone is expecting to be TGE. So someone said Unich is not a perfect name for this project. It is onion. Too much layers and choco. Some people are funny. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but nevertheless, okay. So people are actually waiting and anxious to know what this next phase is all about. So if you're mining Unich, you need to take it extremely serious. Log into your bot, claim your rewards. So if you're mining Unich, you need to take it extremely serious. Do your daily check-in, claim your rewards, do your in-game activity, your tap to earn, and your earning. Make sure that you are active. Something big is coming and we're already at the finish level, so do not miss out. Stay tuned for more updates. So that is it for this video. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.